Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. I want to announce the kit I will be building for the 2024 to 2025 Reconnaissance group build hosted by Joachim from Yorama Modelbau and Markus from Scale Bench. It is the Italeri BMW R75 with sidecar. I wanted something small because I was trying to not buy any more new models and build my stash, but I don't have any Reconnaissance. It was interesting that last year I built the Panzerschwebwagen, or the German Reconnaissance vehicle. I could have used that this year, but I did use it last year as wheeled vehicle. So this year will be this BMW R75. It comes with 3 figures, BMW with the sidecar and the machine gun. It should be rather small. Here are the other kits in that model line or comparable. So let me open the kit and I'll be right back. Okay, so it is just one bag of parts. Matter of fact, the figures are the larger, more prominent parts of this kit. So here are the decals, license plates, division, insignia for the division. Here are the spokes and the tires. So the tires are hard plastic. There are a lot of injection pins that need to be removed, but here are pretty sharp features in the face, torso, fenders, hooks, the sidecar. So it's going to be a quick build. I think I'll concentrate more on the seams, and of course I will have to break out the airbrush because the parts are so small. But I could probably assemble them all at once and then spray paint it all at once. That's the motorcycle frame with the gas tank, the seats, that's probably the front because the front has a license plate frame on top of the fender, the engine, transmission, lights, what looks to be a 98 rifle for the Germans. That's their canister and canteen, water. Pretty good detail, but not much for the motorcycle, the figures, and the weapons. And that's it. Should be a quick build. Didn't want to spend too much money when I have a lot of kits in my stash. So I'll probably just wash the parts and then start assembling. Almost forgot the instructions, so here are the instructions. Little intro. This is the overview of the 2 parts trees. Paint guide. Interesting how they still have Model Master, because this was printed a long time ago. Or I guess the master copy still was created a long time ago. The detail painting is going to be challenging. As long as it's 2 or 3 figures, I guess is okay, but if it's hundreds of figures, I could never do that. Gunship gray. Or flat tan, I guess, for Africa Corps. Okay, so that's it.